In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom domain to your Vercel project or app. First, you want to log into Vercel and then click on the website, app, or project which you want to add a custom domain to. Then from the top right corner, we will just click on domains. Right here, you will see all of your domains and you just want to select add existing. And here's where you will paste your domain. I'm going to use Hostinger for this tutorial. I will go into my domains and you just want to find your domain name. Copy it and then paste it into Vercel. Once you do that, you can click on save. Now it is going to begin adding it, and here it is going to show us that currently it's going to be invalid. So what we have to do is click on the domain itself to expand it, and these are the DNS records that we need to add. So go back to your domain provider, then click on the domain which you want to add a DNS record for, then DNS/name servers, scroll down, and the first thing that we need to do is add an A record at, and this is going to be the value. So type A at, and this is going to be the value. You want to click on add record. If you have an A record already, you will need to delete the previous one. And once you do that, you can make this smaller, then expand this, and we will need to add a CNAME record www, and this is going to be the value. So go back, this time we will add a CNAME record. It is going to be www, and this is going to be the value. So DNS record is not valid, so I'm going to click on another record. So if you already have a CNAME, yep, I already have one, and it should let me do it now. You want to click on add record. Once you do that, we can go back to Vercel, and here we can just refresh, and this is going to begin the initiation process. It's not doing it for me because it's conflicting with another A record which I have, but that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.